Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to apply for TikTok monetization. But before you apply, remember that you need to be in the UK, USA, or any country that supports TikTok's monetization program. Additionally, you'll need at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the past 30 days. Now, let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Go to your profile. Tap on the 3 white lines in the top right corner of the screen. Select TikTok Studio. In the Monetization section, swipe left to the Creator Rewards program and tap on it. Here, you can apply or reapply for TikTok's Creator Program. Scroll down to review the requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, and 100,000 views in the past 30 days. That's it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.